I'm Shayla. Happy Science Week. This week at the park, we're going to make weather dials. There's still time to register for a kit that has all the supplies you need to make this. If you just stumbled upon this video and you don't have a kit, we'll also tell you what you need to make this. First, you will need a styrofoam plate or a paper plate, a permanent marker, any color, construction paper. Hopefully you can use yellow, orange, white, and blue, a paper clip, some puff balls, glue, scissors, and if you have it, a hole punch. You'll also need a pencil. We're also going to need tape. We also need a glue stick. Lastly, you will need some string. Let's get started. So first, you're going to take your paper plate or your styrofoam plate and you're going to divide it into 4 sections with your marker. Just like this. For our 4 weather forecasts, we are going to put sunny, snowy, rainy, and cloudy. So first we're going to take our pencil and we are going to take our orange sheet of paper. The first thing we're going to do is make our arrow that will point to different weather. After we draw our arrow, we're going to take our scissors and cut it out. Now we have an arrow we can use to point to the different weather on our sundial. So we're going to take our tape, we're going to roll it so it's sticky on both sides. Put it on the arrow. We're going to attach our paper clip. Now you have a removable arrow that you can put showing what weather it is that day. We're going to take this off for now. Now we're going to make our different weather forecasts. First, we will start by making a snowflake for the snow. We're going to cut our paper into a square. Then we're going to fold it up and cut out different shapes into the folds and the edges to make our snowflake. Now we have a snowflake that we can glue to our weather dial when we're ready. So we're going to take our glue stick, put lots of glue into a circle, and we're going to stick our snowflake to our plate, just like this. Now we have one of our weather forecasts done. Now let's do rain. For our rain, we're going to draw a water droplet. And to do this, you kind of draw an egg shape with a point at the very top. And then we're going to cut out our water droplet. And we're going to do the same thing we did with the snowflake. Lots of glue. And there you go. Now we have our second weather forecast. For our third weather forecast, we are going to draw a sun. So to draw a sun, you just draw a circle points all around it. If you want, you can also just draw a circle. Now we are going to cut out our sun. For all of these shapes, we're going to make sure that we put the pencil side down so it doesn't show on our sundial. So we're going to take the glue again and do another big circle with the glue. And pencil side down, we're going to stick on our sun. Now we have 3 weather forecasts. Lastly, we are going to do our clouds for our cloudy days. This one's going to be a little bit different. For this one, we're going to use white puffballs. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our white glue, put enough that the pom-poms will stick, but not enough that it will never dry. And we've got 2 different shaped pom-poms for our clouds. So you just kind of put these on however you want. Now we have all 4 weather forecasts. And we're going to leave this to dry for a bit. Next, we're going to take our hole puncher or a pair of scissors and we're going to put holes in the paper plate so we can hang it up. Now we're going to take our string, and you can cut it as long as you want depending on where you want to put it. I'm going to cut it this long. We're going to put our string through the holes. Ooh. And tie a knot. Double knot so it stays. Now we can hang up our sundial. And we're gonna say, what's the weather today? Today, it's rainy. So we're gonna take our paper clip and we're gonna point to the rain. And here is our weather dial. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Send us pictures of all your creations. We're also having Science Day August 11th from 2 to 4, so drop off your school-aged kids at the park in the afternoon. And please note, younger kids should be accompanied by an adult. Register by emailing us at miltonvalepark.staff@gmail.com or DM us on Instagram at Miltonvale Park. See you next time. Next week is Nature Week. Stay tuned and subscribe for more.